Alright, here we are, Jordan's 23rd birthday, bowling at Castro Village Bowl. Let's see what she's got. Oh, right, got her. Okay, we're gonna go for the second shot. Hey, she got some. Hey, way to go, Jordan. We're here for Jordan's 23rd birthday. Castro Village Bowl. You can see they have alias names, but Dad's being real. All right, Beanie's up. Oh, she got one right in there. All right. These kids with their little alias names, I don't know, and their weird pictures. There goes Beanie with her second shot. Oh, I think she might get something. Hey, you got one of those.